So here's the problem. In the ad, the base of the leg, it looked really thick. So here's the thickness of my pinky, and I'm a short guy, but yeah. So this is really thin, and in the ad it was like this thick. So it's kind of missing some reinforcement. I feel like I can use the bar right here. So 47-inch TV, about 70 pound. In the ad it says it could take 88. I don't know about safely, so here we go. It wobbles side to side is the thing. It looks scarier in person because you could really see. So if yeah, it just takes like one accident, you know, that's it.
So this TV stand, it's a really smart idea to make it universal and cheap. And so with certain VESA mounts, the two mounts for where you'd mount it to the wall are pretty close into each other. So it's not the most stable, you know, but for being universal and like 20 bucks, it's pretty awesome. When you're installing it, put these little flanges, the 90s or whatever, the angles on the outside. So the left and the right, or as if you're looking at the front of the TV. So left and right.
Oh shit! TV stand. I have to buy. It's very sturdy. Good. From the back, you can see that it's really good. Alright. Got it from Amazon. And it's a good product.
We use the TV stand on our outdoor fireplace for underneath our porch. It is the perfect size, keeps our TV upright and sturdy so that we don't have to worry about it getting blown over in a storm. Very durable, great product. Definitely recommend.
Wait a second. Leg is good. I think your right leg is dead. We have to take it. We might have to.
As you can see, it is not a very sturdy stand, but I guess you get what you pay for. God, I hope nobody tips this thing over.
From the moment I met him, I knew that he is the best coach that's going to prepare me for the next level of NBA. I signed with University of Kansas.
In charge. Dimitri, go. Dimitri will go back to school in New York. And you will stay here with me.
Ok, yo lo tengo con la cajita.
Stand is perfect for this TV. Went on easily and holds it very strongly. We love it.
Fixed it. Works. Best 25 bucks I ever spent.
All right,